Hi everyone. Okay, so I got my Pipsticks in. My today just got awesome. I prefer the whole awesomer. I like that word. So let's see. Now okay, so I did end up, after my last haul, I said, you know what, I want to do the kids the kid stickers, because I love the kid stickers that I was seeing, and so I did it, and like I get a coloring book. I love it. The whole 80s kid in me is loving this. This is so fun. So let's look. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm so excited. And look, you don't have to tear them open, because that way you can reuse the bag, because the bag is pretty darn cool. Oh my gosh. And I want to say this was also like $15 or $20 or so. I can't remember what it was, but they always have deals for your first time subscribing. They always do the whole 50% off. So I would always use the 50% off your first subscription. Isn't this fun? Oh my god. And look, it's a rainbow bun. I love it. And it's got little shiny bits in it. Let me see. Will this work? Maybe this will work. But you can see little shiny bits on it. How fun is that? Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh, this is a refrigerator, a microwave, a sink, plants. That is super fun. Window, clock, like dish soap. Oh, look, they have bananas in there. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. So that was 2, and then we have this one. Oh my gosh, the Jello. Oh my gosh, a Jello mold. That's awesome. Oh my god, it even says Jello on it. That is so cool. And you see those little sparkly stars? This is so worth it, you guys. This is just, the kid in me is loving it. So, this is awesome. They have cars. Fun. Let's see. Put that one there. Let me put that there. Let's see. Oh wow, the rainbow. Oh my, I got my little pointer. Look at this one. So the hamburger is an actual rainbow, but it's a high rainbow. Oh, and this looks like a teacup. A teacup. Oh, and these look like donuts. An ice cream cone. And a popsicle. Got it. And, oh, look at this one. You can dress up your little doll. Oh, how cute is that? There's a little bow. Oh my gosh, little paint palette. Oh my god, look at the little Converse right there. Do you guys see that? The little Converse? That's so fun. Oh my goodness. Oh, and then now you have the Converse themselves. Oh my goodness, those are so cool. Oh, look at the baby sloth. And it's purple. You've got purple, and then you got like a turquoise and the pink. Oh, these are adorable. What a great subscription. I don't know when my adult one is coming in. But I'm in love. That is awesome. Oh my god, he's throwing up. He's throwing up a cloud. And look at this one, has an umbrella. How fun. And then some crayons. Oh, I love crayons. I adore crayons. I look at crayons so much on Amazon that they pop up on my feed. And then you have the waves. Waves are cute. I'm trying to move this. Those are cool. And then, what else do we have? We have, oh, look at like bell bottoms. How fun. Okay, I was looking at those too. Oh, look at, and then you have a solid one. Scratch and sniff. Oh man, scratch and sniff, you guys. Oh, I wish I could smell. I lost my sense of, I lost my smell in August. I haven't gotten it back. I only have about 10%. So, but everything that's fruity smells like garbage. So, oh man, this is awesome. It's a scratch and snip. It's orange. Oh my gosh. How fun. Oh, and look, you get to color. Oh, you get to color because he's a postcard. It's a postcard. Aw, I love it. Oh my goodness, this is awesome. Yeah, I'm in love. So you get one, were you guys counting? You get a postcard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So you get 15, and I think it was $20. So $1 something a piece. Amazing. I'm in love. I really am in love. This is the name. Remember you do the first subscriptions 50% off. Find that coupon. No matter what you do, find that coupon, you guys. All right, guys. So see y'all next month. Bye.